The tech world just collectively lost its mind, or what's left of it, because Motorola just pre-announced the Razr Fold, and it is a masterclass in selling us absolutely nothing wrapped in a Pantone-certified bow. While Samsung is busy actually shipping phones, Moto decided to drop a press release that's basically a high-res, "you up?" text to the entire industry. This isn't just a phone launch, it's a spiritual exercise in paying $1,500 to sit in a digital waiting room. They're officially taking on the Galaxy Z Fold 7 by offering us 0.1 extra inches of screen real estate. Because apparently, that extra millimeter is exactly what was standing between you and total inner peace. It's the ultimate size matters flex for people who measure their self-worth in LTPO refresh rates. In a move that can only be described as aggressively optimistic, Moto is flexing a triple threat of 50MP cameras, basically telling Samsung that their 200MP sensor is just overcompensating for something. It's the classic quantity over quality play. Why have one giant monster sensor when you can have 3 middle managers in the camera hump doing their best? And let's talk about that 32MP selfie cam, because in 2026, your pores deserve to be captured in 4K resolution so you can truly see the stress of your financial decisions in real time. We don't know the processor, we don't know if the battery lasts longer than a TikTok dance, and we don't know the RAM, but hey, we have black and blue. Because nothing says innovative tech like a color name that sounds like a seasoning at Popeyes. The design is the cherry on this we gave up on originality sundae. It looks so much like the Z Fold 7 that if you squint, you'd think Moto just committed a $1.5 billion heist at Samsung's R&D lab. But no, they added a textured back, which is the tech equivalent of putting a spoiler on a Prius and calling a race car. And the Moto Pen Ultra? That's the real kicker. Moto saw Samsung drop the stylus support and immediately sprinted to the dumpster to retrieve it, dusting it off like it's the second coming of productivity. It's the perfect tool for signing the bankruptcy papers you'll need after dropping $1,500 on a first-gen device that won't even ship until sometime in the coming months, which in corporate speak usually means when the sun hits the horizon at the exact right angle in late July. Ultimately, the Razr Fold is the hero we deserve. A gorgeous, folding mystery box that promises the moon but only delivers a spec sheet written in disappearing ink. It's a bold bet that the American consumer is so thirsty for a Samsung alternative that will ignore the fact that the release date is currently a shrug emoji. Moto is playing a high-stakes game of chicken with the Z Fold 8, and if they don't launch this thing before the summer, they're basically bringing a knife to a nuke fight. But until then, we'll just sit here, stroking our Pantone-colored texture backs, waiting for a processor reveal that will probably happen via a cryptic tweet 3 minutes before the pre-orders open. God bless the hustle.